Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am back with another makeup video. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. So on TikTok, I've been seeing this makeup look and I think that it is so beautiful and it's totally my style. I knew that I had to try this for myself. Today is the day that I'm going to be trying this makeup look. It kind of reminds me of like a cupcake or like ice cream. I've done cake makeup in the past, so let's see if I can do this makeup look. And I'm very excited to do this. As you can see, I've got some blue hair to sort of match the vibe that we got going on for this. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this makeup look. Also guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram and my TikTok right here for more makeup and fashion. And now let's jump right in. Okay, to go ahead and start off this makeup look, the first thing that catches my attention is the frosting over the top half of the face. First off, I want to go ahead and gel down my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this eyebrow gel. I actually got it from Five Below and this is like my second time using it. I think it works pretty well. So I'm just going to gel down my eyebrows so we can go ahead and start with the fun part. Okay, my eyebrows are gelled down and flat. And I also went ahead and put some primer all over my face. And now I actually want to outline where I'm gonna put the drippy frosting on my face. I'm gonna use this white eyeliner that I have right here and I'm basically just going to mark out where I want to have it, just so it's a little bit more easier for me later on. So in all the reference photos that I'm seeing, the drips sort of end like top of the nose right here. Obviously, I feel like right now I look a little bit silly. Once everything comes together, it'll start to look good. Right now, I just have a bunch of random squiggles on my face. So to make the white frosting, I'm going to be using this Athena painting palette. I'm very familiar with this palette. It's pretty good for doing creative makeup looks on your face. This is what we're going to be using today. I'm just taking this brush. I'm going to use this white and I'm actually kind of scared. I don't know why. Okay, I'm just going to do it. To go in and do the drips with a smaller brush because I want to make sure that the drips are really precise. So, oh my god, I look like a ninja turtle. Now I'm going in with a sponge. I'm just gonna put some white on it and dab this around to make sure that it's smooth and there's no like cracks in it. Now that I've actually taken the time to smooth it out, I feel a lot better about it. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to actually fill in the drips. Okay, so I've tried to blend it out a bit more. I am going to touch it up throughout the video just so it doesn't look creasy. This is how we're looking right now. And I think it looks okay. But now I actually want to add some eyebrows. And I think I'm going to add some blue eyebrows to match my hair. So I have a teal color on here, so I'm just going to make some eyebrows for me. Here are sort of the eyebrows. I think they look pretty okay. Okay, now that that's done, I think I'm going to try and do some eyeliners. I have this liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to do some eyeliner on my eyes. Here is how my face is looking now. I feel like the eyeliner is making me feel a lot better about it. Now I'm going to be adding the sprinkles. So in this look, there is a lot of sprinkles. I'm just going to use this smaller brush. I'm going to dab it in all these different colors and let's see what kind of sprinkles I can make. Now, in all the example photos that I have, they have like 3D sprinkles, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to draw them on. Okay, here is how my sprinkles are looking, and I think it looks super cute. And I'm going to go ahead and add the lashes. Here's how it looks with a lash on. I think this is looking super cute. Okay guys, here is how this makeup looks with the lashes on, and it is super cute. But I actually do want to add some foundation down here. I'm just going to add some foundation, this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right that I don't have any makeup on at the bottom of my face. I'm just going to lightly blend this foundation, kind of also clean up the droops a little bit with this. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. I have these nail charms that I use to do nails sometimes. These totally match this whole vibe I'm going for. Like, this is literally perfect. I'm going to use this and put some on my face just to add extra cuteness. I put a little star candy, a lollipop, a donut, and a gummy bear. I just used some clear lash glue to put them on. Now it is time for the lips and all these makeup things. They're usually pink, so I'm going to use this palette for the lips actually. I'm going to use the brightest pink that I have. Now I'm actually going to also try and glue some tiny charms to my lips. Okay, so I added some charms to my mouth, and this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? What do you think of this makeup look? I think it looked super cute. Adding the charms to my face definitely did help a lot, and this looks super cute, especially with this hair. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if I should try any more creative makeup looks because this one was super duper cute. I'm absolutely in love with this. It's so cute, guys. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and my TikTok. They will be on the screen. And I'm really satisfied with how this turned out. I'm actually in love. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. And bye, everybody.